down the track. Carrots and peas, riding right back. Berries and broccoli, healthy and sweet. Fruits and veggies, can't be beat. Choo-choo goes the healthy train, bringing goodies down the lane. Mangoes yellow, bananas so bright, packed with vitamins, a tasty delight. Tomatoes red, cucumbers green, the freshest colors you've ever seen. Pumpkins big, potatoes round, healthy treats, all safe and sound. Watermelons juicy, grapes in a bunch, perfect snacks for every lunch. Spinach and beans, leafy and fine, hop on the train, it's snack time. Choo-choo, we're on our way, eating healthy every day.